That's not really a duck. What that is, that's a decoy. That's a decoy set out by the people that are trying to trap the trolls. As you can see from the footage outside, we're in prime troll area. Oh, see, there's ducks, and that's always a sign that there's trolls. Because what the ducks like to do is, obviously trolls are quite big, so they're the pasties that trolls eat are quite big as well. And when you're a troll, it's very difficult to eat a giant pasty without dropping bits all over the place. So normally you find where there's lots of ducks and stuff, obviously you'd expect there to be like lots of food and things, and out in the middle of nowhere, obviously the main food source is sort of crumbs from troll pasties. So that's why you see a lot of ducks around here. So because obviously there must be like a good highway of trolls that come through here, and there's probably somewhere well hidden away, like a little catering van for trolls that sells pasties and stuff like that. So that'll be why there's lots of ducks around this area, because they sort of congregate. Look at them all walking across road there. I bet you there's a troll down there somewhere. That's the only explanation, isn't it, for ducks? I mean, look at them all. They're all off. One of them's gone, "Oi, troll down there eating a pasty," and all the rest are like, "Oh God, yeah, come on then, let's go and see if there's any crumbs. Come on, Eric. Look, I don't know what that was. There's one down there shouting about something. Can you see him?" No. There he is. He's walking along shouting at everybody, going, "Come on, troll pasty." He's flying, that's cheating. Oh, hang on. Oh, run, Eric. They are literally all going. Look, it's a very strange phenomena, and it can only be explained by troll pasties. I mean, this is the proof you're seeing right here in front of your eyes now. You're seeing the proof of trolls' existence just by watching these ducks. What's he doing? Don't stay there. Oh, thank God for that. Thought we were going to miss out on troll. What are them two dawdling about at? Get a move on. Jeebus. You've not even bothered getting dressed. Look, they're all brown rather than colourful. You're going to miss out, and then you're going to be sorry, aren't you? You'll have to wait for human food instead. There they go. Now, as you can probably see, if I can zoom in, there he is. There's a duck there. That brown blob there is a duck, if you couldn't tell. Well, that was focusing in on windscreen. That's useful. Thank you, Fern. There we go. There he is. So you think that's a duck? That's not really a duck. What that is, that's a decoy. That's a decoy set out by the people that are trying to trap the trolls. Oh, hang on, we've got a something happening here. Something's changed. Look, we've got the hordes of them coming back again now. It must have been a false alarm. That'll be why that decoy one didn't move, because the people that set up the false alarm knew it were a false alarm. So why would the decoy duck move? See, further proof that trolls exist and the government know about it. They know trolls exist, and they've set up decoy ducks to track real ducks and monitor how they behave, and thus track down trolls. As if any more proof was needed after the last video we had here with a helicopter chasing a troll. Honestly, if you didn't see that one, check back on the troll videos. This isn't something I get paid to do. I'm not getting paid to make you guys aware of trolls. I just feel everybody should be aware of them, and the consequences of living in and around trolls. So again, as like I said before, it can be dangerous if you spook a troll while he's having his troll time, his troll book times. You don't want to. Well, one, you don't want to see that kind of thing going on, and two, you don't want to be anywhere near it. There'll be a horrible stench, and there's a likelihood you're going to get squashed as well. So just keep an eye out for all these telltale signs of troll activity, and yeah, try and keep away from them. That's kind of why I'm warning you, not so you can go and find them. I'll quite happily find them, so you don't have to. That's the duty that I'm doing for you. I'll find them so you don't have to. So yeah, signing off. So here we are. So if you see this sign here, I might be able to zoom in like super fast. Ready? Pink. Oh, you can't really see it. Hang on. Oh my goodness! I need a proper camera for this sort of stuff. It says danger. Soft mud. That's mud that's not hard. So Julie's prevailing theory is that the reason why there's soft mud here is that because the trolls bath in this particular area here, and then when they come on land, it causes all the land to be muddy. But we know better than that, don't we? Silly Julie, she's completely forgot that the bathing area is the bit above the damn wall. What an idiot! Do you think to all the times that she's spent around me, you'd have thought she'd know a little bit about trolls? Oh my God, it's embarrassing. Are you embarrassed?
Just a bit.
Are you embarrassed to be so unknowledgeable in the way of the troll?
I'm so sorry.
Oh dear. Oh well, not everybody can be an expert. No, obviously this is the area where the trolls practice their synchronised swimming for the Troll Olympics. As you can see, he's got that big pipe there. There's not really a pipe to carry anything normal. That's just like where the trolls sort of stand and jump in one by one like that. They go boo 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 boo, and then they do la 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 dee 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 dee, synchronised swimming around there. You know, with their little legs sticking up like that, and like standing on others, like that kind of thing. That's what trolls do in this area. That's why it's all muddy, because it causes waves, and it just comes up on the shore, and then it just gets all muddy and stuff.
That makes more sense.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? You see how silly you are now. Look, there's two ducks. If you ask them, they'll tell you. They know exactly what's going on. And they've just told me that that's a leaf over there, not a little bird, which I thought it were. Although that's a little bird around here somewhere, I think.
Yeah.
But that one there's a leaf. Hello, Mr. Duck. How are you today? How do you feel about having a train named after you? Oh, piss off then, honestly, it's so rude. Yeah, so that's why he's got soft mud round here.
You are fake news. You are fake news.
I can't remember what we're going to say. Oh yeah, these are the facts. These are the hard-hitting facts that we're bringing to you right now about trolls. I am anyway. Julie's not, because she's an idiot.
Yeah.
A troll idiot.
Yeah.
You seem very proud of your troll idiocy.
Yeah, check me out.
I'm not sure that's a trait that I appreciate in a wife.
I don't care.
Now that's a trait I appreciate in a wife.